The beach!
We're here!
All right, here we go. Almost got it. Yes.
I can carry it. Sand. Again.
Let's build a sand castle.
A big B-I-G castle. Lily, come play with us. Cold. The water is cold.
Where is Lily?
She is over there.
Ah, right.
Huh? What is that sound? A baby turtle. Are you okay? You're stuck. Don't be scared. I can help. So hot. You need water. Water. I need water. You can swim soon. Oh, the sand is moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh no, so many turtles. The birds! Ha! Go away! Help! Please, come quick! Lily, what's wrong? Baby turtles on the beach. Where? Where? We must help them.
So cute.
Clean the path. Bottle. Bag. In the bucket.
Shoo!
Can we help too? Yes. Stand here, please. There you are. You're tired. Don't worry. We go together. I can carry it. Bye-bye, turtles. Beach again tomorrow?